always, but meet me in the kitchen. I'll show you the best breakfast ever. Let me just get ready first, okay? Follow me into the kitchen to make some chocolate chip banana pancakes. Come on. Mush a banana with a fork. I have my bananas in there. Now just to mush it. It takes a little bit because it's a little hard. You want to mush it until it gets like this. Now, add 1 cup of pancake mix. I use a pre-made one. This is our pancake mix. That should how it looks. And now add 2/3 cups of water. Now add your chocolate chips, the best part. I only have some left, but it might not be that much. You guys can use how much you guys want. This is how it should look. Now let's mix it. Sit. There. Now this is how it should look. Now you guys can preheat your cooking top to 300. And put some oil on there to make the pancake batter not stick to the pan. And now to make it kind of warm up, and mine's already kind of warm, but now to scoop it almost like halfway, and then pour it onto the hot cooking top. And then you can put how much you want. I'm going to put the whole batter. It doesn't matter if it gets kind of messy. That's all of the batter. Now wait till they're cooked and then flip them. Now when we're waiting on the pancakes, now we can clean up. Your mom and dad will appreciate it. Now you can wipe down your table, and then it should look like this. Now let's flip the pancakes. That's good. These two. And now for the last one. Now you can give them a little flap on top of each one. And see you guys in 2 minutes, and then we can flip the next ones. You can flip these now and put them onto the plate. These ones still might need a little bit. Let me just see. I feel like they're ready. This one might need a little bit. And I think this one's ready now. It's pretty ready. Now, let's dough eat. You guys can top it off with some butter and syrup. And now, to dip in. Time for sure.